Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to It's All Me. Today we are celebrating year number 4 of It's All Me, which is just insane to me. I cannot believe it's been 4 years since I started this YouTube thing, this YouTube journey. I can't even fathom it. I remember when I started this thinking like, where would I be in 3 years or 4 years? And now we're here. It's 4 years to the day that this channel started on January 25th of 2019. And now it's January 25th of 2023, and we're still rocking and rolling, baby. I'm just so thankful and grateful that this is still going as swimmingly as I hoped it would be. It's evolved and it's grown, and I've evolved and I have grown. You've seen so many different things happen in my life in the last 4 years. It's just been so cool to be able to have this digital scrapbook known as It's All Me to look back on for me personally, to see all the things that we've done in the last 4 years. It's just crazy. The trips we've taken, the adventures we've taken, the Urbex adventures we've gone on, the food challenges, the burping contest, the vacations, the hikes, all of these things, so many different things. And all the different people that you, the viewer, has been able to meet and get to know. The Allens, the Daves, the Gerts, the Christians, the Seths, the moms and dads, Kaylee, Manley, and the ones that are to come. Little homie, our little boy, who's really close to being here. Seth and Kaylee's new little girl that's really close to being here. You've been on this journey with me now for 4 years, and you've seen so many different things, and we just get to continue to grow and evolve together as It's All Me continues to grow and evolve and branch off into new things. That's a perfect segue into this update that I want to give in regards to the official burping channel for It's All Me. I've been talking about it for a while. I've talked about it on my live streams, on the live hangout. It will go live when this channel, It's All Me, gets 1,000 subscribers. And gosh, we are close. We're at 909 subscribers as it stands right now. So we're almost 90 away. We're 91 away right now. And we just keep pushing, baby. We keep pushing. I'm excited to bring that channel to the world, to have exclusive burping content on that channel. It'll shift the burping content from It's All Me to its own individual channel, and the burping contests, or excuse me, the burping content will no longer be here on the original It's All Me channel. It'll be moving directly to the exclusive burping content channel known as It's All Me Burps. If you're catching on to how I brand my things, It's All Me Games, It's All Me Burps. Yes, that is the official name of the future burping content channel, It's All Me Burps. And I'm excited to make it more of a reality as we get closer and closer to that 1,000 subscriber mark. If you're a fan of the burping content, if you're a fan of the burping contest, the Just Burps, the shorts, future things, future ideas that I'm coming up with that involve the burping content, and you have not subscribed yet, there is no better time than right now to hit that subscribe button, because the faster we get to the 1,000 subscriber mark, the quicker y'all get It's All Me Burps, the official It's All Me burping channel right here on YouTube. Now, a few more updates. Like I said earlier, we are getting very close to the arrival of our little son, our little boy, our first child. And as that becomes a reality, I'm not really sure what content will look like in the thick of all of that. I will still be planning to put out regular videos and get back into live streaming once things kind of cool down, because I started off this new year really sick for about a week and a half, and then I had to play catch up for the last couple of weeks. And so I'm just trying to get myself back into a good rhythm, and I'll be jumping back into those live streams and the gaming streams and things like that. But I just wanted to preface that when we have our son, when those things happen, content may dip a little bit, and I hope you understand why. we're taking care of a human child, a little baby that we created and that's been growing for 9 months, and it's just ready and waiting for us to take care of it. So if content frequency changes, I will let you all know why. I'll let you all know about the arrival of our little kid, our little son, little homie, and so that you're all aware of what's going on, so you're not left in the dark. You know, I'm pretty good at posting things on my social media, my Instagram, and also on the community side of YouTube. So if you have any questions about anything, you can also comment on any video if you're curious about something, and I will do my best to answer you. As always, every year when I look back over the last year of It's All Knee, I do the year in review montage, and we're gearing up for that right now. And I'm really excited to bring this to you guys. 2022 was just a ridiculous year, very trying, very exhausting, but a lot of adventures and a lot of great things happened in 2022 for us. And I'm excited to show you kind of the wrapped up version of all of those things in this upcoming montage. I hope you guys enjoy this look back at the year 4 of It's All Knee. Again, it was a crazy, crazy, crazy year with some crazy things that happened. It all made us who we are today and where we're at today. As you can see, we're in a whole new place. This is, again, my office. If you haven't checked out the latest live streams and some of the later videos, this is our new home. A lot of things happened in 2022, and we're gonna give you a bird's eye view into 2022. It's All Knee wise right now as we give you the year 4 in review montage. Thank you again for an incredible year. Enjoy this bird's eye view, as I said. And as always, it is all knee and no foot. And we will see you in the next one. Enjoy the montage.
Either the love or the underdogs on top. And I'm gon' shine, homie, until my heart stop. Go ahead, envy me. I'm Raps MVP, and I ain't going nowhere, so you keep rockin' like a 6 on top. Whole club rockin' like a 6. Rockin' like the rockin' like a 6 on top. Whole club rockin' like a 6. Rockin' like a 6 on top. The underdogs on top. Rockin' like a 6 on top. Let me put you on the game.
Built for tough.
Yeah!
Yo, it's Cribs. FTV back again. Cribs, you found me at the fair. Broke into my crib. That's Cribs, y'all gotta go.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's what life is all about. Is this how you feed a child?
Uh-oh, gotta go. Uh-oh, gotta go.
And I remember and everyone else, for some reason, decided to
Sorry,
walk
lost you there,
farther.
mate. Sorry.
You're good.
Something happened there. What's that?
Uh-oh, we're talking paranormal
That's
and things
not
start going
nice.
crazy.
Oh, Siri started talking to me. What is going on
what's-
there?
What's she saying?
Interesting question.
It's gone. That was weird. What happened there, man?
Dude, you weren't talking, so did I trip your Siri?
I don't know. That is really freaky.